everybody, I'm Laura and my law firm is theonelawyer.com, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Ask My Lawyer Mom. We get a lot of questions, people call our office, I get a lot of questions from you.
I'm Ryland.
This is my son, and so this channel is dedicated to answering the most common questions that we get as personal injury lawyers in Nevada. And today we're here to talk about what happens, or what do you do if there's a lot of cars involved in the accident. You got a question for me?
The other day we were driving home from school. We saw that there was an accident where there was a bunch of cars on the road. What happens if there are more than 2 cars in an accident?
That's a good question. It does make it more complicated because there's a lot more versions of what happened. That's why it's really important to call the police, even if there's 2 cars, but especially when there's a lot of cars, because they're going to need to document how all these people were involved in the accident.
What if drivers are saying different things about what actually happened?
The police are good at sorting that out, and that's also why it's really important that you want to take as many pictures as you can at the scene, especially before they've moved the cars. Try to get as many pictures after you check on everybody to see if they're okay.
How can I figure out whose fault it is when there are a bunch of crashed cars?
The police are good at that, and you'll know whose fault it is too. Usually these things are a chain reaction. One person makes a bad maneuver and it causes a lot of cars to pile up behind them. So that's why it's important to document the best that you can and take those pictures, and so you can remember what happened.
So if it's not my fault and there's a bunch of cars involved, who will pay for my doctor bills?
The first thing you want to do is definitely get the police report, and you get that, they'll give you a tape or a printout at the scene. For as far as your car and your doctor bills, you want to go through your own insurance and get your car fixed. Your own insurance company cannot raise your rate if it's not your fault. So they will fix your car immediately. Go to the doctor, use your health insurance or your medical payments coverage on your insurance policy.
So I should still do the same things like call the police and take pictures?
Yes, you want to handle it the same way, but you want to use your insurance first, because when there's multiple cars involved, it's going to take longer to determine who was at fault, and that's going to delay the process. If you go through your own carrier, then you won't have to wait to get your car fixed. And if you have any other questions, call me at 702-450-4868. I'm happy to answer them.
Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.
Or contact me at the link below, or leave comments for any additional questions.